Hello guys. So today's unexpected actually video because I found this little guy which is I cannot remember actually animated armor I think from our D&D collection, and he was just chilling on the shelf, and I actually think so. Yeah, he was just chilling on the shelf and I wanted to paint it. It's actually cool miniature. But I started thinking how I want to paint it, and I came with one idea. We will make it glowing in the dark, for real. It would be interesting experience for me, and maybe for you. So, let us start.
So here is our fancy armor. It was first coated with a black primer, and for the base color I used Castellax bronze. The frames surrounding the armor give off an
Their deep, dark fantasies.
vibe. Though at this scale, playing is it a frame or is it armor is basically a minigame in itself. Now that the armor is base coated, let's move on to the shading. For this, I mixed Coelia green shade and Agrax earth shade in equal proportions. Once that dry, we are bringing in the heavy hitter. Dirty down verdigris. And the best thing about it is not just effect. This stuff is basically magic. It oxidizes faster than your coffee cools down. Watch it go to work in 40 seconds. Man, you can't say it doesn't look gorgeous after verdigris. I like it. Next, I will highlight the edges with Sycorax bronze. I'm highlighting right over the verdigris, but I will go back and dull the highlighted spots slightly so the armor still looks aged and cohesive. Now for the frames. I'm starting with a base of pure white because I want them to look like they are glowing, and white is the best foundation for that effect. Frames are painted, not 100% coverage, but as real frames they would have natural light and dark spots. Next I applied Vallejo fluorescent and green mixed at a ratio of 1 part paint to 5 parts water, so it doesn't overpower the white. It looks a bit lighter on video, but in person it's much more green. Now I will slightly douse this color with this mix of goblin green and fluo green. And why I'm doing it? Because I will apply a layer of lemon yellow over this flame to create an effect of radioactive green flames. And if the green base is too light, the yellow won't pop correctly. Biel someone green to apply on the outer edges of flames. And done. Now time to apply yellow, and if you want the flames to look glossy, I recommend using bile instead. And it's done. Look at how much that yellow changes the color profile. Finally, the most interesting part, glow powder from Green Stuff World. I was fascinated to see how this would look, but also a bit worried about messing it up. I mixed the powder with a matte varnish and applied it randomly. A little here, a little there, and a bit more on the base. And here it is. Now it's time for moment of trust. Let's see if this radioactive bad boy actually glows. The flames look sharp and toxic thanks to that lemon yellow and fluo green combo. It looks great under the hobby lamps, but let's kill lights. Whoa, look at that! The radioactive green really comes to life now. The glow powder makes it look like the soul of the armor is literally burning from the inside out. It's exactly that
Their deep, dark fantasies.
vibe that I was going for. Everything seems to have landed right where it belongs. From a black primer to a glowing nightmare. Mission accomplished. Thanks for watching, and I hope you liked this one, so don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See ya in the next painting video.
RPG Figures. Play hard, paint harder. We're a creative studio designing sci-fi and fantasy STL miniatures for 3D printing.